Our 1,000 plus ChatGPT prompts for affiliate marketing work as fast as this 1.2-minute video. Hey there, affiliate marketers. Are you tired of hitting that creative wall when it comes to content creation? Well, say goodbye to those struggles and hello to endless inspiration. Introducing the 1,000 plus ChatGPT prompts for your affiliate marketing workbook. This digital gem is your ultimate resource for creative inspiration. Developed by industry experts, it leverages ChatGPT's advanced AI to bring you over 1,000 actionable prompts. Yep, you heard that right. 1,000 plus prompts to elevate your online campaigns. So why choose our 1,000 plus ChatGPT prompts workbook? First up, endless inspiration. Whether you need ideas for product reviews, social media posts, blog articles, or email campaigns, we've got you covered. Next, boost efficiency. Save time and effort with a steady stream of fresh ideas that'll enhance your content creation and marketing productivity. No more endless brainstorming sessions. And let's talk about fully customizable prompts. Each one is adaptable to your brand and target audience, allowing you to add your personal touch for maximum engagement. But wait, there's more. Powered by AI innovation, our prompts keep you ahead of the curve, driving your online marketing success with cutting-edge technology. Ready to revolutionize your online marketing approach? Order your copy of the 1,000 plus ChatGPT prompts for your affiliate marketing workbook now, and discover just how easy it is to reach your marketing goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your campaigns and maximize your online revenue. See the links below for more information and pricing. Thanks for watching and happy marketing. FYI Hub.